One question I get a lot of times is, Jim, how do you accurately estimate, especially in today's crazy cost of materials environment that we're in, accurately estimate the cost of repairs on houses? Well, it's actually not that difficult. There's two different ways to do it. One is super detailed. So if you're doing, I have some friends a couple hours west of me, they do like $20,000 to $30,000 renovations. They go in, they do little stuff on houses. And so they have a much more detailed cost per item they use to estimate the budget for a house. I don't do that. It's like 230 something points long. Mine is about 25 items. And these are big things lumped. So it's like a kitchen, boom, big or small. We've got bathrooms. We have a master bathroom. We have powder bathrooms. So 3 different line items. We have a small, medium, large roof size. So different things like that. We bunch them into different, easy to calculate categories. Because a lot of times it might be an acquisitions representative who doesn't have a ton of construction experience dealing with these numbers. So you don't want to get too detailed, right? So 20 to 30 line items. You have a cost per. You can have a little Excel formula in there. You can plug in the quantity and it sums up. And right now we add in 30% for miscellaneous, right? It used to be 20%. We bumped it to 30%. And that covers things like, I don't know, interior doors. That's not a line item on our budget sheet. But guess what? It costs money and it goes into that 30% miscellaneous factor. So my suggestion for you is this. Identify a list of 20 to 30 big ticket items that you think encapsulate your house. And if you're doing a major renovation, this works just fine. And then for the first time or two, if you want to pay a contractor to go bid a job for you, it might make sense. But I think that you'll very quickly take away all the mysteries of how easy this is to estimate the repairs for houses.